Rainy season is actually my favorite time of year, mainly because, well, I actually really enjoy the rain, but also because it gives us a bit of time to just chill out here in Costa Rica. Hey guys, welcome back to the Emma in Costa Rica channel. I hope you're all doing very well. I'm Emma, if you're new to the channel. If you've been following for quite some time, I'm sure you know that by now. This year, we have been receiving a crazy amount of rain, and it's actually been quite a bad thing in a way because we've been having a lot of climate effects because of it in terms of landslides, flooding of like places that you would never expect to flood. So it's been a bit intense this year. I think 2 hurricanes have passed so far, and we're coming into the end of it now, so hopefully nothing more bad will happen at this point. But I'm here today to talk to you guys about what you might need during this time of year if you plan on visiting Costa Rica. So let's get started. 5 different things that you need to bring to Costa Rica during the rainy season. So the first thing that you should definitely bring with you to Costa Rica is a light, breathable rain jacket. This is not a promotion. This is just Louise's jacket. I don't even have one. I wish I did. I haven't gotten that far in life yet. So definitely it will save your butt in many scenarios. Just bring it along with you if you have the space in a small backpack or something. That's why I say bring something light so you can carry it around with you. And the weather is still gonna be somewhat hot and humid. That's why I say get a breathable jacket, because otherwise you are gonna be sweating under that jacket and getting wet. So that's nothing that anybody wants. So light rain jacket. Oh, and the reason why I say that you should carry it around with you everywhere is because the weather is so unpredictable at this time of year, because there's so many microclimates that you'll never know the next hour of weather. It's just constantly changing depending on your level in the mountains or close to the beach, or no matter where you are, you'll never be able to actually predict the weather. And no matter how many times you guys check the weather app, it's not likely to be correct. Number 2 of what you should bring is a small compactable umbrella. I'm not gonna open this. I'm inside, not looking for bad luck right now, but yeah. This way you can put it into your bag, walk around with it anywhere, and be prepared for those torrential downpours at any moment. The third thing that you should definitely consider bringing are some comfy sneakers. Yes, these are old, they are gross. I'm gonna put them down. But I like them because they dry quickly and they don't slip. Get something that has grip, because during this time of year, the ground tends to grow a type of fungus or a algae from the amount of humidity, right? So the last thing you want to be doing is slipping around. Let's get real. And then the other last thing that you're gonna want is to have soaking wet shoes your entire trip. So make sure you get something that you can pop out in the sun whenever the sun's out, let them dry, and then pop them back on again, or not even have to do that, they're just already dry. Number 4 is actually 2 things, both equally important. One being bug spray, because with all of this extreme humidity and increased moisture in the air, it is the perfect breeding habitat for mosquitoes and other bugs. And sunscreen for those moments when the sun is hiding behind the clouds and you think that you are not gonna get sunburned and you go home more red than an apple. Very, very important. Don't forget your sunscreen at this time of year. If you can use a natural one, is better. I really don't like using these spray ones, but it's what I've got for the moment. It was donated to me, so I just use what I have, and there are lots of natural options here now as well though, so you can go and look for those. Number 5 is not actually a thing. It is an open mind. When you're coming at this time of year, it is really important to leave at home this idea of if it's gonna rain, it's gonna ruin my vacation. I need it to be sunny and beautiful the whole time, because I will promise you right now that you are probably not going to get that. You need to have a very much open mind and be flexible with the weather, and just accept the fact that if it's raining, it's really not so bad. It's still hot outside for the most part, and you can still go into your swimming pool as long as it's not like crazy lightning. you know, you can still do the majority of the things that you plan to do. It's just gonna be a little more wet than you had planned. And if you come completely prepared with all of these things that I had just mentioned, you should be good to go. So, in keeping this video nice and short, I will leave it here. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed it. If you have any other suggestions of things that people could bring along to Costa Rica during the rainy season, you can leave them down in the comments below. And subscribe to the channel if you're ready to see more videos about my life in Costa Rica and helpful tips. Thanks so much, and ciao!